awesome.
Kind of dirty, but you know.
That's all right. Are these the? Oh, 54 of them. Oh gosh.
Yeah, way underpowered, man.
Oh, this is wow. This. How much is this Ying Long?
Yep, 160 amp hour.
Okay. Nice.
4 or 5 Ks on 8, flat 4 or 5, 18s.
PSI?
Yep.
Okay.
Way fucking underpowered, man.
Way underpowered, yes, sir. Oh, I like that.
Yeah, but it don't fucking work.
It doesn't?
So, I'm gonna sit in the driver's seat. Is that cool for you?
Which is louder? Does it not
I'm
matter?
gonna stand outside. I'm just gonna let you get inside.
Okay, sure. I won't ever touch someone's knob because something happens. I don't want to.
No, you're fine. Go ahead. Sit here and make sure all these damn wires ain't. I mean, it's kind of sloppy, but.
I was gonna come over there if that's all.
I mean, it's up to you. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't mind climbing over anything, dude.
Go ahead, buddy. Go ahead.
I like this kind of stuff.
Oh yeah.
Not many people do builds like this. This is pretty. Is this yours? You did all of this.
I love it. Yeah.
So what does it meter when you on the best vert score? Never metered it.
No,
Okay.
I busted the windshield 2 days ago.
Okay.
Got this one installed yesterday.
Yes, sir.
And so here we are.
All right. What's your tuning on your box?
Not sure of the tuning, but it's a 1.1 to 1 ratio.
Okay.
1.1 is the ported side.
Okay. All right. I'm ready when you are. You're good. Solid. That is insane. The prep hours down. She's so far gone right down the road. She would get.
Hey, thanks for the demo. What was your name?
Stu.
Stu.
Stu Gun.
Nice. Thank you, man.
Facebook, yeah.
Yes, sir.
S-T-U.
Thank you.
She would kid.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.